Understanding Research Assignment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important phrase that you might encounter in an academic setting: research assignment. This term can seem daunting at first, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it entails and how to approach one with confidence. Let's get started. A research assignment is a task given by a teacher or professor that requires students to investigate a topic, gather information, and present their findings. This could be in the form of a written report, a presentation, or even a project. The key aspect of a research assignment is the independent exploration of a subject to uncover new insights or compile existing knowledge in a coherent manner. Every research assignment includes several crucial components. 1. Topic selection. Often, you may be given a topic, or you might have the freedom to choose your own. It's important to select a subject that interests you and meets the assignment's criteria. 2. Research. This involves collecting data from various sources, such as books, academic journals, websites, and interviews. Always look for credible and relevant information. 3. Analysis. After gathering information, you need to analyze your findings. This means looking for patterns, contrasts, and insights that help answer your research question or support your thesis statement. 4. Writing. The final step is to compile your research and analysis into a structured format. This includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion, each serving a specific purpose in conveying your findings. To excel in a research assignment, consider these tips. Start early. Give yourself plenty of time to research and write. Organize your information. Use outlines or notes to keep your research organized. Cite your sources. Always give credit to the original authors of your information. This is crucial for avoiding plagiarism. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for help or feedback from teachers, peers, or tutors. Research assignments are a fantastic way to deepen your knowledge on a subject and develop critical thinking and writing skills. Remember, the key to success is preparation and organization. We hope this video helps you approach your next research assignment with more confidence and enthusiasm. Good luck, and happy researching!